Ever wiped your hands with a paper towel and wondered, where did this even come from? It might seem simple, but behind every sheet of tissue paper lies a powerful process of transformation, from towering trees to soft, delicate paper. Today, we're revealing the incredible journey from forest to tissue roll and the technology that makes it all happen. In this video, we take you deep inside the tissue paper manufacturing process. You'll see how raw wood is turned into pulp, how massive machines dry it into paper-thin sheets, and how it all comes together to create the products we use every day, like napkins, facial tissues, and toilet paper. It all begins in sustainable forests, where specially grown trees are harvested and transported to the mill. The logs are stripped of bark and chopped into small wood chips, ideal for turning into pulp. Nothing goes to waste. Even bark and dust are used for fuel. The chips are cooked with water and natural chemicals in large digesters. This breaks the wood down into a fibrous slurry called wood pulp. It's then washed, screened, and often bleached to achieve the right texture and color for different types of tissue. Next, the pulp is sprayed onto massive wire screens and passed through heated rollers. Water is squeezed out, and the remaining sheet is dried, stretched, and rolled into giant parent rolls, some over 10 feet wide. These rolls are then fed into converting machines that cut, fold, perforate, and wrap the tissue into its final product form. Whether it's a box of tissues or a roll of toilet paper, the process is fast, precise, and surprisingly elegant. Fascinated by how everyday items are made? Don't forget to like, comment your favorite factory process, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes manufacturing stories. If you want to stay updated on the technology industry in your daily life, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.